But back there at that little bridge, it stopped being Tanasi Creek Road and turned into Wolf Mountain Road. So, and I should probably say that if you're not at least reasonably comfortable with kind of rough gravel roads, you probably don't want to go this way. I will be stopping to put the Scrambler in off-road mode though before I get to the dirt part. A bunch of turkeys. Yep. Hey, turkeys. It's a twisty little thing. Living up to its name of being a mountain road, I think. Nice up there. Trees in the way. I can't see the mountains for the trees. That's alright though. Where we're going is a really cool view. Every time I go around the curve, I think, alright, here's where it turns to dirt, and then I'm wrong. Maybe they paved it. Oh, there's a little baby deer. There's a mama deer. There's another baby deer going each way here. Little guys, sorry, didn't mean to mess you up. Turns to gravel right here, so off-road pro mode, not just off-road, off-road pro. Whoa. Oh, I'm in neutral. Dumbass. This is way better than it was last time. So all that stuff I said about it being rough and all that stuff, just a dirt road now. It is really steep though. I'm sure you can tell that from the camera. There's a big rock. Tree across the road. Ah, shoot. Just trying to do a wheelie and it just starts spinning. Giddy bop right out here onto this rock face on the side of the mountain. I'm gonna go this way because there's a good parking spot out here. This part's optional, you can't just walk out to. But why would I want to walk? I'll go ahead and turn around. It's a really cool place to come hang out. It's called Horseshoe Rock. So if you search for that off of Wolf Mountain Road, you should be able to find it pretty easy. So yeah, you can come out here and park wherever you want to park. And then you get access to all this, which is cool. I mean, that's a pretty neat view. And it's just cool to walk around on the side of the mountain. I wouldn't go that way too far because it does get very steep down there. I don't really want to fall down the side of the mountain today. As you can see, there's graffiti everywhere, as usual. There's always got to be graffiti, you know. Some of it's cute though. There's a daisy or some kind of flower. It's pretty cute. Somebody said a campfire right there. Cool place to sit behind a fire. We're going to continue on this Wolf Mountain Road. It's a dirt road that lasts for, I don't know, probably another 6 or 7 miles, I think. Comes out on another cool road. I love this area. Awesome. As we're going to continue on out this road. I don't remember the rest of it being bad. And this is a lonely little, more or less, it's basically like a forest road, but it's not. It's actually a state maintained road, sorta. The bushes are taking over the road. I'm not a fan of mud. A tree in the road. So yeah, this is quite a bit rougher than the other side of this was before we got to Horseshoe Rock. So riding all the way through here, kind of what I was saying does still apply. You know, if you want to be at least reasonably comfortable with a rough, bouncy, ruddy, possibly muddy road. I'm pretty sure you could drive a passenger car through here if you were careful. That used to be somebody's fender. How they managed to do that? It's like they scrubbed it against a tree and ripped it off. Mud. It's pretty deep there. This road is pretty jacked up. Holy crap. What the know? That stuff I said about a passenger car going through here, we can go ahead and take that back. State maintained road, y'all. It's on the map. Time to engage the extra suspension. Get it out of first gear and let's go. Good Lord. That's beating me up. It occurs to me that I do not have my personal location beacon with me, because I loaned it to a friend of mine and I forgot to get it back before this trip. Of course, I wasn't really planning on being this far out in the middle of nowhere. You always think about that situation where you break a leg or something back here. Water crossing. This is way worse. Like the other side's way better, but this side is way worse than I remember it being. Bird flying overhead. Just probably wondering if I'm going to make it. I see the shadow going back and forth. That's some carrion birds like, look at that idiot. Anyway, this is Explorer Road. I know there's no signs, I just know what it's called. So I've been this way a time or two. That way will take you back to the Canada Road. This way will take you the way that we need to go, which is to 215 near Balsam Grove. Alright, so as promised, Explorer Road meets this, which is 215 Road, called the Parkway Road, because it takes us to the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Alright, so as promised, we are on the Parkway up here at the Courthouse Valley Overlook. You can see off to the right. It's an amazing view. It's worth the trip. So like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Let me know where to go next. Go do this ride. It's really fun. Have a good ride.